Problems happen, challenges happen, struggles happen, issues happen, misunderstandings happen, health crises happen, financial crunches happen, markets go down and that happens. All of that happens. Happiness doesn't happen. You have to make it happen, because right things don't happen. You have to make the right things happen. Fitness is the right thing, doesn't happen. You have to make fitness happen. Any of you want to lose any weight? Oh, thank you. Others, बाकी सब फिट लगता है, बाकी सबको कोई किसी कपड़े नहीं. लूज वेट, अरे क्या सर, ये सब थोड़ी ये बोलने के लिए बुलाया आपको. लूज वेट, you know. I was told one of my friend, he put on so much weight. I said, वजन कम कर भाई. You know what he's telling me? He's telling me, वजन कम करके क्या करना है? वजन कम करके क्या करना है? आखिर सबको एक दिन मरना है. इसीलिए अभी जो भी खाना है खा लो मेरे दोस्त, क्योंकि अगले लाइफ में फिर 3 किलो से ही शुरू करना. That was his reply. That guy, tell you, deserved a whack. Losing weight doesn't happen. You have to make it happen. Not reacting when you're angry, shutting that bloody mouth up doesn't happen. You have to make it happen. अपने आप right things don't happen automatically. Only wrong things happen automatically. Right things, you have to make them happen, guys. They don't happen like that. One man was asking his wife, when you're like really angry at me, what do you do to vent out your anger on me? मतलब वो किससे क्या पूछ रहा है? क्यों पूछने का ऐसा क्वेश्चन? उसको करने दो ना जो करना है. क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछने का? He's asking his wife, you know, like really wild at me, what do you do to vent out your anger? She said, I clean the commode in the house. So he said, why do you clean the commode to vent out your anger on me? She said, I clean it with your toothbrush. So the next morning there's some special effects in your mouth. I'm sorry. I'll tell you what. We all react in our own ways. She has a toothbrush and you have your own ways to lose it. Ladies and gentlemen, not reacting and shutting this up doesn't happen. You have to make it happen. Saying a sorry when somebody hurts you, or forgiving somebody when somebody hurts you, doesn't happen. You have to make it happen.